Nowadays, most Windows computers use RAM to cache processes and prioritize them based on activity to ensure a smooth performance and high responsiveness. However, there might be times when certain programs do not release the cached memory, and that makes your computer noticeably slower. While it is true that in this case a simple reboot would solve the problem, you can also consider using a tool like Windows Memory Cleaner to free up memory. The advantage of the latter is that you do not need to restart the machine to free the used memory. The program is portable and hence, you do not have to bother with installation or configuration. Simply download and open the executable to get started. The app comes with a minimalistic interface and, before you clean up memory, first you should go through the list and check the areas you want the app to analyze. The memory areas include combined and modified page lists, standby lists as well as system and process working sets. Once you select the areas, you can proceed to cleaning the memory and see the performance or responsiveness of the OS improve. The app includes a log area where you can check out the exact actions of the tool. Similarly to other tools in the niche, the app has the role of minimizing the physical memory usage. To put it simply, once you hit the Clean the Memory button, the app shifts the process to virtual RAM and flushes the caches. Therefore, the PC is bound to work smoother until the operating system moves the processes back to the physical memory. In the eventuality that your computer regularly becomes slower and non-responsive when launching certain applications, then perhaps you can consider using Windows Memory Cleaner to flush the physical memory and fix the issue. See you next video.